Compound entry, is always little complex. And its posting process is also little complex. So in this module, we will be learning that how a compound entry from journal is posted to the ledger. So please be ready. We will learn it through an example. Here in this compound entry, on January 1, owner introduced cash, which is 25,000, and computer worth 10,000 in the business as capital. So if you see, this is its accounting entry. Just concentrate on its accounting entry first, in which cash and computer is being debited. You see, cash and computer is being debited with 25,000 and 10,000, and capital is being credited with the sum of these two. So this is the compound entry, and you are, mashallah, perfect in doing this journal accounting entry for complex transactions. Well, now please be attentive that cash account is being debited. So this is ledger account for cash. There are three accounting heads. First of all, take these three accounting heads as a chart of account. So cash account, computer, and owner's capital account. These are the three accounting heads. Okay? Well, cash is being debited with 25,000. So in the cash account, what you will do, this is in fact the split of this ledger into two sides, debit and credit. Cash is being debited with 25,000. So in the debit side, put 25,000. And why cash is being debited? Because of capital. So place this capital over here. Just see this arrowhead. Okay. Computer is also being debited with 10,000. So in the computer account, debit side, put 10,000. And why this computer is being debited? Because of capital account. So place this capital account over here. Consider this arrowhead. So this is the debit that we have posted in its relevant ledger account. Now capital is being credited with 35,000. So this 35,000, if you observe this arrowhead, it's coming from there. But since we are having two reasons against this 35,000, so although we will place this in the credit side, but separately, 25,000 and 10,000, and this 25,000 is because of cash, and 10,000 is because of computer. It is not very difficult. Just concentrate on this concept that whenever you have to place in the accounting head an amount which is having two debits or two credits, so we have to split that amount into that much number. So over here against this 35,000 there are two debits. Okay, so we have to put those two accounts over here, that this capital account has been credited with 25,000 because of cash, and this capital account has been credited with 10,000 because of computer. So this is something how we do post a compound accounting entry in ledger account. Next comes post reference. It is also one of the very important concepts to learn. We know very well that post reference is, in fact, this is the column that so many times we have seen in our ledger account format and journal format. So this post reference is in fact the page number of the other book, simply. if we are putting this in journal, it is known as ledger folio as well. And if we are putting this post reference in ledger, it is named as journal folio. Means the page number in journal and page number in ledger. So simply observe the arrowheads and you will get it. Just observe the arrowheads. Where it is coming from? Yes. This arrowhead is coming from here. Okay. And where it is coming from? Again from here. So, in a way, in ledger, the post reference is page number of journal. And in journal, the post reference, just observe these two arrowheads. These are coming from the page number. These are the page numbers of the accounting heads where its posting has been done. Very well. So the important tips to remember over here are that sum of debit is always equal to sum of credit. This is what you observed while posting compound entry in the ledger. That 35,000 is the sum appearing in the credit side of capital because of 10,000 in cash and 25,000 in computer. So the sum of debit should always be equal to sum of credit. Second is post reference is page number of journal and ledger. And particular column in ledger account shows reason for being debited or credited. If we are putting an information in the debit side particular column of cash, so it means that cash is being debited for that reason. Or if we are putting some information in the credit side under the particular column, in the particular column of capital, so it means capital is being credited because of this reason. So whatever the information we are putting in the particular column is in fact the reason for being debited or for being credited. Thank you.